Running for beginners. Running is one of the most accessible and effective forms of exercise, offering numerous physical and mental health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your fitness, lose weight, or simply find a new hobby, running can be a rewarding and enjoyable activity. However, starting a running routine can be intimidating for beginners. This video will provide you with everything you need to know to start running, including the benefits of running, essential gear, training tips, and how to stay motivated. Benefits of running. Running offers a multitude of benefits for both physical and mental health. Here are some of the key advantages. Improved cardiovascular health. Running strengthens the heart and improves circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Weight management. Running is an effective way to burn calories and can help with weight loss and weight maintenance. Enhanced mental health. Running releases endorphins, which can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, leading to improved mood and mental well-being. Increased strength and endurance. Regular running builds muscle strength, particularly in the legs and core, and improves overall endurance and stamina. Better bone health. Weight-bearing exercises like running help increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Improved sleep. Regular physical activity, such as running, can help improve sleep quality and duration. Boosted immune system. Running can enhance the immune system, helping the body fight off illnesses more effectively. Enhanced cognitive function. Running has been shown to improve brain function, including memory and learning abilities. Essential gear for beginners. Before you start running, it's important to have the right gear to ensure comfort and prevent injuries. Running shoes. Investing in a good pair of running shoes is crucial. Running shoes should provide adequate support, cushioning, and stability to protect your feet and joints. It's recommended to visit a specialty running store to get fitted by a professional who can assess your foot type and running gait. Comfortable clothing. Choose moisture-wicking and breathable fabrics to keep you cool and dry during your runs. Avoid cotton, as it can retain sweat and cause chafing. Depending on the weather, you may need additional layers or weather-specific gear, such as a lightweight jacket or running tights. Sports bra. For women. A supportive sports bra is essential for female runners to provide comfort and reduce breast movement during exercise. Look for a bra that offers adequate support for your level of activity. Running socks. Invest in moisture-wicking running socks to prevent blisters and keep your feet dry. Avoid cotton socks, as they can retain moisture and cause discomfort. Staying hydrated is important, especially during longer runs. Consider using a handheld water bottle, hydration belt, or hydration pack to carry water with you. If you plan to run in low light conditions, wear reflective clothing or gear to ensure you are visible to others. A headlamp or clip-on light can also help illuminate your path. Getting started. The basics. Starting a running routine can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can make it a positive and enjoyable experience. Here are some basic steps to get you started. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic and achievable goals is essential for staying motivated and tracking your progress. Whether your goal is to run a specific distance, improve your fitness, or complete a race, having a clear objective will help keep you focused. Start with a walk-run program. For beginners, it's important to start slowly and gradually build up your running endurance. A walk-run program is an effective way to ease into running without overexerting yourself. Begin with short intervals of running followed by walking, and gradually increase the running intervals as your fitness improves. Warm up and cool down. Warming up before your run and cooling down afterward can help prevent injuries and improve performance. Start with a 5 to 10 minute brisk walk or gentle jog to warm up your muscles. After your run, cool down with a slow walk and stretching exercises to help your muscles recover. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after your runs. It's normal to experience some discomfort as you get used to running, but sharp pain or persistent soreness could indicate an injury. Rest and seek medical advice if you experience any unusual or severe pain. Training tips for beginners. To make the most of your running experience, consider these training tips. Follow a training plan. A structured training plan can provide guidance and help you progress safely. There are many beginner-friendly training plans available online, including Couch to 5K programs that gradually build your running endurance over several weeks. Focus on form. Proper running form can improve efficiency and reduce the risk of injury. Here are some key elements of good running form. Posture. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and look ahead. Arms. Keep your arms bent at a 90-degree angle and swing them naturally as you run. Stride. Take shorter, quicker steps to reduce impact on your joints. Foot strike. Aim to land softly on the middle of your foot, rather than heel striking. Incorporate strength training. Strength training can improve your running performance and reduce the risk of injury. Focus on exercises that target your core, legs, and glutes, such as squats, lunges, planks, and bridges. Cross-train. Incorporating other forms of exercise into your routine, such as cycling, swimming, or yoga, can improve overall fitness and prevent burnout. Cross-training also helps reduce the risk of overuse injuries by giving your running muscles a break. Rest and recover. Rest days are crucial for allowing your muscles to recover and adapt to the stress of running. Include at least 1 or 2 rest days in your weekly routine, and listen to your body if you need additional recovery time. Proper hydration and nutrition are essential for optimal performance and recovery. Drink water before, during, and after your runs, and refuel with a balanced meal or snack that includes carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Staying motivated. Maintaining motivation is key to sticking with your running routine. Here are some tips to help you stay motivated. Track your progress. Keep a running journal or use a fitness app to track your runs, including distance, time, and how you felt. Seeing your progress over time can be a great motivator and help you stay committed to your goals. Join a running group. Running with others can make the experience more enjoyable and provide a sense of community. Look for local running groups or clubs that welcome beginners, or join an online running community for support and encouragement. Sign up for a race. Having a race to train for can give you a sense of purpose and motivation. Start with a shorter distance, such as a 5K, and gradually work your way up to longer races as your fitness improves. Vary your routes. Running the same route can become monotonous. Explore new trails, parks, or neighborhoods to keep your runs interesting and challenging. Reward yourself. Set milestones and reward yourself for reaching them. Whether it's a new pair of running shoes, a massage, or a special treat, celebrating your achievements can boost motivation and keep you excited about running. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Starting a running routine comes with its own set of challenges. Here are some common obstacles and tips for overcoming them. Finding time to run can be difficult, especially with a busy schedule. Try to schedule your runs like any other appointment and prioritize them in your daily routine. Running in the morning can help ensure you get your workout done before the day gets busy. Weather conditions. Running in extreme weather conditions can be challenging. Dress appropriately for the weather, and consider alternative options like running indoors on a treadmill or cross-training if conditions are unsafe. Motivation slumps. It's normal to experience periods of low motivation. Remind yourself of your goals and the benefits of running, and seek support from friends, family, or a running community. Sometimes, taking a short break and trying new activities can reignite your enthusiasm for running. Injuries. Injuries can be a major setback for runners. To prevent injuries, focus on proper form, incorporate strength training, and listen to your body. If you do get injured, allow yourself adequate time to recover and seek professional advice if needed. Running safety tips. Safety should always be a priority when running. Run in well-lit, safe areas. Choose well-lit and populated routes, especially if you're running alone or in low-light conditions. Avoid secluded areas and be aware of your surroundings. Be visible. Wear bright or reflective clothing and gear to ensure you're visible to others, especially drivers. Consider using a headlamp or clip-on light if running in the dark. Follow traffic rules. If running on roads, follow traffic rules and run against traffic so you can see oncoming vehicles. Use crosswalks and look both ways before crossing streets. Stay alert. Avoid distractions such as using headphones at high volume. If you prefer to run with music, keep the volume low or use one earbud to stay aware of your surroundings. Carry identification, such as an ID card or a road ID bracelet, and let someone know your planned route and expected return time. Running is a fantastic way to improve your physical and mental health, offering numerous benefits for beginners and seasoned athletes alike. By setting realistic goals, investing in the right gear, and following a structured training plan, you can start running safely and effectively. Remember to listen to your body, prioritize recovery, and stay motivated by tracking your progress and seeking support from the running community. With time and dedication, running can become a rewarding and enjoyable part of your daily routine, helping you achieve your fitness goals and improve your overall well-being. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.